As the world changes, what matters to people is changing too. People value innovations that make cities more livable. Social capital is becoming more important than capitalism. Today, the best businesses seek to improve their bottom line by improving the lives of people and the planet. John Holland has partnered with communities for more than 65 years, creating thousands of projects around Australia and the world. We deliver more than rail, buildings and infrastructure. We look beyond the blueprint to see the bigger picture. Thinking like this helps us deliver on the global sustainable development goals. We have our own set of goals to make us future fit. By focusing on our people, our systems and our customers, we can ensure that John Holland is a great place to work. By partnering with communities where we work, we can leave a positive legacy and support better lives. Through future thinking, we can lead across industries and future-proof our business. We have 10 sustainability elements that we apply across our projects and programs, delivering business growth and social and environmental benefits. The future is what we make it. Our hope is to be recognised as a world-class global citizen that makes a positive difference. What legacy would you like to leave?